How to check Access Bank account number on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can check Access Bank account number on phone. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up your phone application in your mobile device and then open up your dial pad. After that, on this dial pad, you have to type in *901# and make a call to 901. After that, it will ask you to select your SIM and make sure that you have selected the SIM that is linked to your Access Bank account. After that, wait for a while and you will see a message in your interface that says "Welcome to USSD banking." There you will have an option to choose from. So you have to select the first option, that is accept. So type in 1 and then again send, and make sure to read the information that is given on the courier information box. After that, again wait for a while. After that, you will again have another courier info box in your interface where you can choose from various options such as check balance, transfer, airtime, buy data, PBLs, inquiry service, quick box loans, or to go to next page. So from there, you have to select the sixth option, that is inquiry services. So type in 6 and then again send it. After you do that, again you will have an option where you have to choose the third option, that is account number. So type in 3 and then again send it. Again wait for a while, then it says to get account number you have to enter the PIN. So make sure you enter your 4-digit PIN in order to proceed. After that, you will receive a message on your message in a mobile device where you will see your Chase Bank account number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.